Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video and like this video so that I can know the kind of content that you like in my videos. And yeah, I just have a quick video for you guys. Actually, the main reason why I really wanted to do this video is to try to make myself accountable for what I'm about to say right now. So I want to start something called No Carb November. Basically, I'm trying to lose some calories, or I'm trying to shed some weight. I just want to be healthy, right? Because I've been eating a lot of trash. So yeah, I'm trying to just kick off that healthy lifestyle by cutting down on the amount of carbs I eat. I'm going to be very honest with you. It's going to be very hard, like really hard for me. But what I intend to do is just maybe for the first week, stay away from everything carbohydrate and just stick to proteins and veggies. I really don't like veggies, let me be frank. I don't like veggies. I think I'm very hard. It's very hard for me to, I don't eat on a normal day. Like I don't eat a lot on a normal day. So for you to now shorten what I have to eat to just a certain type of food is even much more difficult for me, because I eat maybe once a day or little to nothing. I think my problem is just trying to nibble on different things. Anyways, to cut the long story short, I want to start the No Carb November, hashtag No Carb November. And if you want to be with me on this journey, I oblige you. Please follow me on Instagram, because I don't know if I should be giving like daily updates on what I'm eating and how the day is going, and just to see how the result will be for a month. And yeah, like instead of me doing like YouTube videos every day, which is very difficult for me, I would rather like be posting stories on the meals I'm having that day. Like if you want to be with me on this journey, or you want to like achieve a more fit lifestyle, I'm not going to be working out as much, because I mean, you can make time, but I really don't enjoy the gym. I'm just going to be frank and honest with you guys, please. Like, I'm not going to be working out. It's too cold to be jogging outside right now because it's the winter period. But I have a skipping rope at home, so maybe I can be skipping. Oh my God. Maybe taking walks more often than maybe tramming, whatever. You will see the result faster, I think, if you're going to be working out as well as dieting. I don't want to feel extremely full after I eat and feel worthless and useless. If you want to be with me on this journey, please, I would really love it. I think it will make a huge difference. And the fact that I have to come on here and report myself to you guys, and you guys should at least see a tiny bit of difference. I'm not saying I'm going to lose like 20 kg in 1 month, no, but like at least there should be a slight difference in how I look. I'm not saying like I will never eat rice, I'll never eat gari or poundo. No, I love those things, for Christ's sakes. I love it. So I will still eat all of those things, but I just want this lifestyle to kickstart it. If you can't drink water, I would say just drink water, because that's what I'll try to do. I'll just drink water, no juice, no Fanta, no soda. Yeah, no soda. So just water and your meal. And yeah, I think that's a good start to a healthy lifestyle. And if you can work out, just add your workout session as well. I mean, I just woke up, had a shower, and I'm about to start my day. So I'm like, let me show you guys the skincare, the things I use for my skincare every morning, or almost every morning, and then some other alternatives as well. So the first thing I did, like you've seen, I've already washed my face. I look swollen because I just woke up, but I have washed my face, I have cleansed my face. And what I use to wash my face, I use the CeraVe foaming cleanser, and it's for normal to oily skin. I got this at the pharmacy, so I think if you're in Debrecen or you're hungry, check the pharmacy. They have like the whole skincare range or whatever, and then you choose your skin type. If you have dry skin, they have the one for dry skin. I love this because it's really mild. It's really mild on my skin. And can you see how big the bottle is? This was like 3,000 forints or 4. Let me be honest, I can't remember, but like around 3,000 to 4,000 forints, and this is literally 473 ml. This will last you a very long time, even if you're using it every day. So I really love this because it's very mild on my skin. So I use this, as well as I always find that I always come back to my Estee Lauder foam, perfectly clean foam cleanser. For some reason, I'm always using a foam cleanser because, yeah. But yeah, I always come back to this, and this I also use this one because I love the after feel after I use this. This is like my third time I'm using this thing, guys. That's how much I love this product. It's quite pricey. I think it's like 9,000 foreign or 7 to 9,000 foreign. So of course this is quite pricey. So if you cannot get your hands on this, at least get your hands on this, because this is cheaper than this one. Cleanse my face, I use the Pixie Glow Tonic. I think I did a video showing you guys when I got this one, and you can see how much I've been using it. Like, it's literally down to here. I really love this thing, but then I feel like it doesn't really, I don't know. I think the difference, I would say the difference between this and the ordinary glycolic acid, because this also has the glycolic acid as well, 5%. I think the difference is that this leaves your face glowing to a certain extent, because it's called Glow Tonic. So obviously it brings out your natural glow. So I think that's the difference. So and then I always travel with this whenever I'm traveling, because it's very handy. And this is 100 ml and it's quite affordable as well. I got this from ASOS. So I suggest this. I recommend this one. And if you want a bigger container, of course they have like the 200 ml, I think. So this or the ordinary glycolic acid, I think they both do the same thing for me. Glycolic acid, what does it do? From my research, right, I find that it gets rid of the dark skin and hyperpigmentation. That's the essence of glycolic acid. So because it's quite harsh on the skin, you should not fail to use your SPF, because it's literally getting rid of the dead skin on your face one step at a time. And every hyperpigmentation that you have on your skin, this is what the glycolic acid in this, or the ordinary glycolic acid, is what does the job in getting rid of hyperpigmentation. To tone down my face, I usually use the Garnier Botanical Toner. I'm going to use that now. So yeah, I love the Botanical. I love this product because it's infused with rose water as well, and rose water is very, very, very beneficial to the skin. So far so good, and it literally makes your skin smooth, and literally tones your skin, restores the pH, because this is acid, right? So this is a toner and it's supposed to restore the pH of your skin, and it's for dry and sensitive skin. Just get your hands on Garnier Botanical Toner with rose water. The one with rose water is what I'm talking about. I use the Botanical one. At the same time, I also use the Body Shop Vitamin E toner. I've used this a lot. I really love this product, as you can tell, and it has some oil. It has wheat germ oil in it. So when you use this, it actually leaves your skin soft and a bit moisturized, because it's infused with oil. So it says with protective vitamin E and moisturizing with germ oil. I've never had a facial before, never in my life. So like, I always feel like this is like my mini self-pamper moment. I also got this product, Nivea Urban Skin Detox Micellar Water. This one I use for when I have makeup on my skin. After I take off the makeup with wipes, I use wipes. The first thing I do is using the wipes. And then I also use my Clinique take the day off mask. What's it called? I don't remember, but you know that take the day off balm, and then I use this. It's like 3-in-1, so it removes makeup, purifies and mattifies as well. So I really, really love this product for when I have makeup on. I use my Kiehl's Iris Extract Activating Treatment Essence. So this is an essence, and from the whole 10-step Korean thing, you already know that essence is very important. It's supposed to open your pores and allow the absorbing and allow for the skin to absorb the next set of products that you're going to apply on your skin. So that's the essence of using an essence. Wow. So the next thing I use is the Drops of Light by Body Shop. Guys, if there's nothing here that you've picked up, pick up this one. If there's nothing else here that you want to buy or you're not convinced to get, this thing. But then don't also forget that consistency does the job. Like, you need to be consistent with your skincare product to be able to see results. You can't buy these things and then use them once and say they don't work. So that's one thing I have noticed, because I usually say I don't really see a difference with all of these things, but then consistency Trust me, when you're consistent every day, morning and evening, or even if it's just morning or only evening, you see a huge difference in a month. This Drops of Light is a pure healthy brightening serum, so I usually apply it on the places or areas that I have my hyperpigmentation, just to get rid of all these small dots everywhere. You see, my skin is not perfect, so I really love this product because I've seen a huge difference. And also I've also seen reviews about this product, and yeah, and it doesn't feel me. So I usually put it in areas that I know that I have like the hyperpigmentation. I use this every day. I think this was like 5,600 or thereabouts from the Body Shop. I don't really remember the price, but get your hands on this goodness. For nighttime, the extra oils I use are this. This is the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate, and this is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Now guys, I'm almost run out in this product. Like, the good products are the most expensive ones, and I don't know why, but this thing is the best product. Like, I don't know between these two, but I don't think I can ever live without these two products. When I mean like these two serums in my life, because it has really been a game changer for me. Like, people say, oh, your skin is glowing, and this is the reason why. This thing is the reason why it's glowing, without me even putting oil on my skin. You would watch. I love this Estee Lauder, and they have a new one. They have they have a new one, and this is quite pricey. I got this from Douglas, but you can check Notino because they have it as well, and it's probably cheaper on there. So yeah, actually I don't remember the price. I don't think it was 20,000 for it. I think it was maybe like 12 or 15,000 forints. Yeah, because I got it a long time ago, and I've literally been using it, and I'm still trying to scrape the bottom before I can like restock on this. Well guys, I really love that product. Those are the two products I use at night, and because I don't want my face to be so oily, if not I would have used the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate, because this is absolutely amazing as well. Use it in the night and wake up in the morning and your face feels like you just had a facial. Literally, it's really good. Like it says, it's a replenishing elixir of pure essential oils and distilled botanicals to visibly restore the appearance of your skin by morning. It really does the job. It really swears by what it says. So yeah, those are the products I use. And then for my eye cream, I use the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Complex. I love when you cream your face or you do all your face, whatever, we always forget to moisturize under the eyes. Or watch, one day just do your face or whatever it is without using an eye cream. You see that this whole place, nothing has touched it. Sometimes not even your toner has touched it, because we just go around the eyes, like, but we don't really like get into this area and that's part of your skin. So you see that those places now start getting wrinkled and black eyes and like literally and puffy and everything, because we're not taking care of that exact spot in our eyes. So guys, please take note. Even if it's not this product, I also have the Body Shop Vitamin E eye cream that also works, and it's cheaper than this for sure. One was actually like 20,000 for it, and I guess it's worth it because it lasts a very long time. Like you see, it's just for the eye. So if you have a whole flipping 15 ml worth of product that is already creamy and oil, not really oily, but it's creamy and very moisturizing, this will last you a very long time. For at least a month. This can last you a whole month. For the days I want to cream my face, I use either the Origins Clear Improvement. I love this product because it's not so greasy, it's not so oily, because I have oily skin sometimes. So it's called Clear Improvement Oil Free Moisturizer with Bamboo Charcoal. So yeah, I just use just a bit because I'm already a bit like moisturized. Or for some days too, I also use I think I've said it on here before, I use the Vitamin C Body Shop Glow Boosting Moisturizer. This is amazing. Like, is so good. This is from Body Shop and this is from Origins. I got this from ASOS. They don't make my face so greasy and very oily, like as you can see here, and it literally just enters into the skin and c'est fini. Last but not the least is the what do you call it, SPF. You should also use the SPF because remember we used the glycolic acid. What else do we use? We use this also gets rid of like your dead skin. You need to shield your skin from the sun, from the UV rays, you know. I won't lie, I don't like the smell. It smells like proper chemical, I'm not gonna lie, but I really like it because it's just really easy, like and it's not going to leave any white cast on my face like most of other like SPF products. So yeah, this is what I use, and this is from the Body Shop. It's called Body Shop Skin Defense Multi Protection Face Mist. Because I can Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water, just to give my face some refreshing feel. Or the one with cucumber and green tea, aloe, cucumber and green tea. But I usually use this in the morning, let me not lie. This one is just when I'm about to do my makeup, that's when I use this one. So yeah, these are my go-to products. I just showed you guys like the ones I use on a daily basis and some other alternatives that I use. So these are the products I use. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. If you're new here, welcome again. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you would love to join me on the No Carb November, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I'll probably try to be giving like daily updates on how it's going, like the food I eat and everything. So please follow me on there and let me know what you think, and let me know if you're on this journey with me, so that we can motivate ourselves not to give up and achieve a healthy state, mind, body and soul. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one.